Hey, howdy, hey, cowpokes. Just a couple friendly reminders before we get going. All children under the age of 7 must be supervised by an adult from their party in the same row or the row directly behind the child. And if you wish to stand for this trail ride, you must stand in between two critters, away from the stirrups and the edges of the carousel, facing forwards at all times. Please, for your safety, do not climb onto or off of any critters while the carousel is in motion, and refrain from taking your child off of their critters until the carousel has come to a complete stop. I hope you find your favorite critter, and I will now come around and check your safety belts. Stop. Please remain seated. We'll get going again shortly.
It's time to ride at the Bullseye is pony, Bullseye is pride, Bullseye is eagle, Bullseye he will ride across the wide prairie beneath the blue sky. They'll ride on forever, Woody and Bullseye.